9-win 100S model, 18 watts, weighs 10 pounds with XTC USB-A Type-C cable, 18-watt fast charge. Let's open up the product, show you what you get inside and how to use with power stations. 5-volt 3 amp, 9-volt 2 amp, 12-volt 1.5 amp. With the instruction guide to go over, an ergonomic handle to grip, and your charging leads. The Nano Wind is IP67 rated for camping, hiking, boating, RVing, and more off-the-grid hookup. The solar panel has a built-in stand, strap, buttons, eye holes, plastic handles, and a fiberglass solar panel that expands and opens up. The panel alone measures overall end to end 54.5 inches. From each panel measures 10 inches and the height 20 inches. The overall length is 22 inches. Each of the panels is designed. The joining, that is the normal design of the panel, as you see. In the full ray of sun for the angle of 45, 35, 30 degrees by opening up the snap and adjusting accordingly to each of the snap buttons and locking in of each of the panels. When fully closed, may place back into the position of the snaps. With optional cables that charge the unit, we have a XTC output, plugs into the port to XTC power banks that accept optional cables for your power banks. We're going to set the unit up outside in the sun and charge the power bank. Find the location. Open up the back for the angle of the sun by removing the strap to 35 degrees. Open up the board and repeat for the opposite side. Expand the board, release the snaps, and pull across and lay down. We're set up for our power bank. As the unit charges your power station via the 12-volt adapter, we're collecting the sun all day. Different types of plugs for different types of power stations for your needs. On the back of the unit, the USB-A port can be used as well to charge other devices with optional cables. We have a lightning cable plugging into charging our phone. The 100-watt solar panel, XTC, DIN, USB-C, and USB-A port with certification of IEC 63163 and 62368. It is a rugged, drop-resistant, water-resistant, IP-rated, and TUV Rhineland. Each charged with protective circuitry and more. Solar panel, portable with snaps that lock in the stands, lock down, protective against wind, solar arrays, water resistant, and more. Enjoy your solar panel and thank you for viewing.